Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today, I am working on my Christmas buffet setup. And as you can see, it has been a catch-all. So we're going to get this all cleaned off. And I'm going to put you in fast mode after I get it cleaned off. And then I'm going to come back and show you the home decor items that I'm going to be using for my Christmas buffet. So if you're new to the channel, thank you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up and leave me a lovely comment. Let me know what y'all are doing for holidays. Are y'all having a lot of guests? Are you cooking, etc.? And as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in another video. Bye-bye. Okay, so you saw in that clip I'm going to be using this gold tablecloth. I just ironed out the wrinkles. Okay, in this segment, I'm going to break down where I found these pieces at. We are going to start to the left. The gnome I found at Dollar General for $3, I believe. No, it was $1. And this large square platter I thrifted, along with the ice and gold bucket thrifted in New Jersey. The mosaic pieces were from Ross about 3 or 4 years ago. And we've all saw my red martini candle holders that were thrifted just recently. My floral arrangement is just floral picks that I've had over the years. And normally around this time, I love to do silver and white. My 11th anniversary is coming up, New Year's Eve, so I am really doing a two-for-all in this video, getting things prepped. And the large bowl you see right here, that was thrifted, along with the cake, the glass cake stand, and my fabulous favorite piece on the buffet stand is my ethnic Santa Claus that I've had, I would say, about 25 years. I cannot find the plug. It is a fiber optic around his beard, and it used to light up. I'm gonna see if I can try to order a plug for Christmas, and I'll be back. This is just a brief sneak peek of when I do the video for the whole, the home Christmas tour. And lastly, I have like the white and black buffalo check initial letters. I found these at Hobby Lobby, and I believe I only paid under 50 cents or maybe $1 a piece for these. I don't know if I'm going to keep them here, but I did pull them out, and they would be just for like small cold hors d'oeuvres. So with this part, I changed it up just a little bit. I thought the Santa might have been too much for the table. And this is my second look. I added a black and white and silver small Christmas tree that I got from Dollar General for $5, and I added just a gold star. Because the theme I guess I'm going with now is black and white and gold. When you're putting these tables up and decor, you change it around until it feels kind of comfortable to you. And I may end up changing it again, but for now, this is what my holiday buffet is looking like. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy holidays once again, and I will see y'all soon. Bye-bye.